Hello and welcome! This is Tatyana Deniz from KawaiiDrawings.com, where you can learn to draw faster and with more confidence. In the past few videos, we learned how to create a design you can put on a product. And in this video, we will learn how to upload your new design to a print-on-demand website like RedBubble. Now let me tell you right away, this video is not sponsored by RedBubble. I chose this website because based on my research, the people who come to RedBubble are already looking for kawaii-style products, so it's easier for your kawaii designs to be found and noticed. Now let's see how we can have our own design listed on RedBubble so someone might buy it, or you can buy it as a special gift. Step 1, of course, is to go to RedBubble website. Now, I'm assuming you already have an account, but if not, you can sign up. It's completely free. Now, all you have to do is go to your profile icon and click Manage Portfolio. This takes you to a page where you can upload your artwork. Click the button Add New Work. And here you can choose to upload to all products or copy settings from existing work, which can be useful if you already took the time in the past to configure a product the way you like. But I don't have one, so I'm gonna choose Upload to All Products. Then select the PNG file that contains the design and click Open. While the file is uploading, you can already fill out the information for the product. For the title, I recommend using something descriptive, so I'll just put Kawaii Acorn. For the text, you want to have a mix of descriptive keywords along with your brand, the medium that you use to create the artwork, and the type of artwork this is. This is how people are going to find it. So in my case, I'm gonna say Kawaii, Happy, Acorn, Tatyana Deniz, Watercolor, and Illustration. Next, let's fill out the description. Here it's a good idea to say what inspired this specific work and tell people a little bit of a story behind it. So I'll say, I created this artwork to celebrate the changing seasons and the magic of watercolor. Next, you can select which products will have this design available. I only want to have it on a zip pouch because I created it specifically for a zip pouch layout, so I will go ahead and turn off all other products. I can always come back here and re-enable some other products if I decide I want to do that. Some other options to set are media, so I'm going to say painting and mixed media. Choose the default product to show in your shop. I will say zip pouch. This design does not have any mature content, and I accept the terms, of course. And that's all. Save your work. Your files will get processed, and once processing is complete, ta-da! You will see the page with your design. At the bottom, you will see options to share your work. Here you can download images to share in your social media. That's how I got the mock-up images to create these videos. And there are also options to share a direct link to your new product to your social profiles. And here it is. Your new product is all ready to go. Now let's say you want to make a few changes to your product. You can do that by going back to your profile and clicking Manage Portfolio. Scroll down to the product you want to change and use the little gear icon to bring up the menu and select Edit. On the page that comes next, you can change the text, change the product, upload a new image, or change any of the other settings. For example, I'll change the media types. Then accept the terms again and click Save. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to turn your drawings into real products. Doesn't cost you anything, and it can be a fun way to start sharing your artwork with the world, create unique gifts, and motivate yourself to create more and more. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel and see you soon.